Hello everyone. Welcome back to your own YouTube channel V Accounting. Here we will discuss the various accounting procedure in detail. So please, if you are new to your channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So our today's topic is real account. So before I discuss you that what is real account in detail, let us know the classification of account. The accounts is classified into two, that is the personal account and impersonal account. And impersonal account is divided into two, that is the real account and the nominal account. Now the nominal account I'll be explaining you in the next video. So now our main topic is real account. So the first thing which strike in our mind about real account is, that is, what is real account? So let us know the definition of real account before we proceed further. Real account means the account of all those things whose value can be measured in terms of money and which are the properties of the business are termed as real account. So this is actually the definition of a real account. That means it is measured in the terms of money. Alright. So the next thing which we are going to learn about the real account is the rule that what we are going to apply for the real account. Alright. So in the simple way to remember is, when you are passing a journal entry of a real account, you need to remember the golden rule, that is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. This is the golden rule of account while you are using the real account. Let me explain this in little bit detail. The most important thing that we need to keep in mind while we are passing the transaction related to the real account, that is the golden rule of real account. So what is the golden rule of real account? Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Just remember this small way. What comes in will be debited and what goes out will be credited. So according to this rule, whatever or whenever any property comes into the business, it is debited, and when it goes out of the business, it is credited. So this is actually the golden rule of real account. So we need to keep this in mind whenever you are passing the journal entry for real account. The golden rule should be applied. It should be the must. So let me give you one example related to this golden account, rule of real account. Alright. So the example is, if furniture for rupees 5,000 has been purchased for cash. So in this case, you can make it out that furniture account should be debited according to the golden rule of real account, that is the debit what comes in, while the cash account should be credited according to the rule credit what goes out. So now very simple. So the answer or the entry will be furniture account debit 5,000 to cash account 5,000. So it is very clear. So simple thing you need to understand. Suppose you are purchasing a furniture. So what is coming to you? That is furniture is coming to you. Alright. So what you are giving or what you are paying, that is the cash. It's very simple. What is coming, that you will set in the accounting head as a debit, like furniture debit, and to cash credit. So because cash is going out and furniture is coming in. So in this case, in the real account, you can make the entry, that is furniture account debit to cash account. Alright. So let me give you one more example related to the real account. Okay, suppose you purchased a computer for rupees 30,000. So before you pass the entry, the most important thing which you need to keep in your mind is the golden rule of real account. So here when you are purchasing the computer, what you are getting? Yes, computer, right? So according to the rule, debit what comes in. So computer is coming in, so you will make accounting head like computer account debit. So when you are purchasing the computer, what you are giving back? Yes, you are giving cash. So according to the rule, what goes out will be credited. So here you can pass the entry computer account debit 30,000 to cash account 30,000, and you can write the narration, that is being computer purchased for cash. Alright. So it's very simple. I hope you have understood how to pass the journal entry related to real account. The only best way is to keep in mind the golden rule of real account. So now let us move on to the next point, that is the objects of preparing real accounts. So we have understood that what is real account. Now let us know that why we prepare real account. What are its objects? Okay, why we prepare it? So the object of real account is to represent the value of various properties owned by a business in term of money, and it also indicates the financial position of the business. So I hope you have understood that what is the main object of preparing real account. So the main object is to know the financial position of a business, all right, and the value of a various property owned by a business. So this is the main object of real account. So our next point is types or classification of real account. As you know that real account is also classified into two parts, that is the tangible real account and the second one is intangible real account. Now let me explain you the difference between tangible and intangible. The tangible means the thing which you can touch and feel. Alright, like you can say bus and some mechanical tool, you can touch and you can feel it. So this you can say as a tangible. And the thing which you cannot touch and feel, that is considered as intangible. Suppose take for example any brand, goodwill, patents, trademarks and your knowledge. Can you touch these things? No. You can feel it, right? But you can't touch it. So this all will come under a intangible thing. So this all considered as a intangible real account. All right. So I hope you have understood the difference between the tangible and intangible. So now let me explain you a little bit more in detail. Okay. So I have given you the written in word also, like see, tangible real account. Tangible real account are those which relate to such things that can be touched, felt and measured. For example, cash account, building account, furniture account, etc. So this all you can touch and feel. Alright. So the next part it comes, that is intangible real account. These accounts represent such things which cannot be touched but however can be measured in term of money. For example, patents account, goodwill account, etc. So this all will come under intangible real account, or you can say this all are the example of intangible real account which you can't touch and feel. You can feel but you can't touch it. So I hope you all have must understood the concept of real account. Okay, this was the complete explanation of real account. In my next video, I'll be making the video on nominal account and I'll be giving you the complete detail of nominal account. So if you like my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want many other videos regarding other topic, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.